people on average are buying 60% more clothing today than they were 18 years ago.
Fast fashion makes it easier than ever to find and purchase.
Fast fashion, as we all know, big subject of the moment.
Fast fashion is bad, right?
Fast fashion is everywhere. It's cheap and stylish, but the quality is slow. Every piece is often made under extreme conditions for little amount of money. Our planet is overflowing with these clothes, and it's dangerous for our future, especially with climate change. Every year, 92 million tons of clothing ended up in the trash. And why? Because people are blinded by trends. They don't want to wear the same things twice. They are no longer in, or just the quality deteriorates too quickly. I wanted to create something different. I focused on using the best quality materials from European suppliers and reflecting that in my sustainable designs. But then, I asked myself, is there a way? How can I do this entirely on my own? So today, I'm going to show you the process of starting a brand without relying on fast fashion techniques. Let's talk about the first piece of the collection. This design is all about simplicity and the dynamic symbol that I made. It's a custom sewn tee with a screen print. One of my favorite details and something that appears on almost every fabric items is the wash tag. So I turned it into a bold, oversized print on the front of the tee. I spent a long time with thinking about this design because I was tired of the same and overused prints that every fast fashion brand doing. And this is what I came up with. So let's go to work. The next piece I want to introduce is a pair of pants. But I really didn't know how to make those. I was so tired and couldn't find any idea. I spent so much time of thinking. But after, I find a way to one of my favorite pieces in this collection. They are extremely simple, black jeans, but I added two horizontal stripes, intersecting in an X shape. And this is how I ended up. One of the final pieces in this collection is a fleece jacket. This design was actually inspired by a jacket that was sewn 20 years ago by my mother. I was so fascinated by that, and I wanted to create a redesign. I kept certain details on the sleeves while adding my own twist. After sketching, I headed to the lab and began bringing the vision to life. And with that, the final piece of the collection was complete. And that's it, a full collection designed and produced without relying on Chinese manufacturers or unethical working conditions. Enjoy the end of the video. And the most importantly, think about the clothes you choose to wear.